Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we are going to continue our Ancient Civilizations series by looking at kingdoms of West Africa. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Now let's go. After early farmers moved from the Sahara to more fertile lands to the south, they began to produce more food than they needed, or a surplus. They were then able to trade surplus food for goods from other villages. A trade network developed that eventually connected Africa with Asia and Europe. Cities developed along the trade routes. Much of the trade exchanged gold for salt, each a valuable product or commodity. Gold was common in West Africa, while salt was plentiful in the Sahara. However, people needed salt to stay healthy and preserve food. In fact, traders might exchange 1 pound of salt for 1 pound of gold. About AD 800, the ancient West African kingdom of Ghana became a center of trade. From there, the king controlled the salt and gold trade. In addition, the king administered justice and other government activities and kept the peace. Ghana was very prosperous and attracted Muslims from the north. They brought new ideas about military technology and business. Later, Ghana was swallowed up by a new power, the rising kingdom of Mali. About 1235, Sundiata established the Empire of Mali. He gained control of trade routes, the gold mining regions, and the salt supplies. Mansa Musa, Mali's greatest ruler, came to power about 1312. He fostered justice and religious freedom. His pilgrimage to Mecca created ties to Muslim states and brought Islamic scholars to Mali to provide religious instruction. After Mali weakened, another kingdom, Songhai, developed in West Africa. After 1492, Songhai's emperor Askia Muhammad established a Muslim dynasty, expanded the territory, and improved the government. He strengthened ties to other Muslim states and built mosques and schools. However, internal conflicts weakened the empire, which was conquered by the Sultan of Morocco around 1591. Smaller societies, such as Benin, also flourished in the region from AD 500 to 1500. In the rainforests of the Guinea coast in the 1300s, the people of Benin built farming villages. They also traded pepper, ivory, and slaves to neighbors. At the same time, the Hausa built clay-walled cities. These cities grew into commercial centers where artisans produced goods and merchants traded with Arabs. Many Hausa rulers were women. And now the recap. When early farmers realized they had more food than they could eat, they did what any smart people would do, trade it for cool stuff. This led to booming trade networks connecting Africa with Asia and Europe, with cities popping up along the way. The hottest trade? Gold for salt. Because while gold was shiny, salt was essential for, not dying. Ghana cashed in on this by controlling the gold-salt trade until Mali took over, led by Sundiata and later Mansa Musa, who made it rain gold on his pilgrimage to Mecca. Then came Songhai, expanding trade and education before internal drama led to a Moroccan takeover. Meanwhile, Benin and Hausa thrived, trading pepper, ivory, and even having female rulers, because why should men have all the fun? There you have it, folks. That is Kingdoms of West Africa nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Make me feel as rich as Mansa Musa by smashing those like and subscribe buttons for me. And I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.